everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 893 of trying a new makeup product every day. Yesterday I talked about how I found so much exciting new makeup at the Dollar Tree, and today I have another product that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and this is from Wet n Wild. It says it's new, and you can't always trust the products that say new at the Dollar Tree when they're from other brands, so this may not be necessarily new. When I was looking this up online, it didn't seem to be a new product anymore. So this is the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Balm. I got this in the shade Shock, and I found this at my Dollar Tree, so I got it for only $1, and oh, it sounds so nice. I love lip balms. It says it's formulated with vitamin E and avocado oil. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. And this packaging is cute. It says Pout and Shock. Ooh, and it looks like a really pretty shade of pink. And I like that it's the twist up like this, kind of like a lipstick. This is a pretty big lip balm. Ooh, it has a really beautiful scent. It smells sweet, but then it also smells like flowers. It smells like a really nice perfume that I would wear. Okay, I'm curious how it swatches. Ooh, it does have some pink to it. It actually swatches the same color as it looks here, but just more sheared out. That is really pretty. So here you can see how that looks. My lips need some moisture, as always, so let's see how this looks on my lips. Ooh. This really does add kind of like a shock of color because it is kind of bright on the lips. Even though it's sheer, it still adds really, really beautiful bright pink color, which I love wearing bright pink on my lips. And especially when it's so nice and hydrating. So it's a gel lip balm. Maybe feels a little bit more slick than a regular lip balm, but it's not that different than a regular lip balm texture in my opinion. It does have some shine, so maybe a little bit more shine than a regular lip balm as well, but still not super duper shiny. But it really is so beautiful. On the lips, super hydrating. I love the color. It's even, it's not clinging to the dry patches on my lips. It kind of looks like a lip stain. That's how I would describe the amount of color. And this pink shade is just so fun. And this is the type of pink that just makes me so happy to wear. So of course I want to wear it all the time when it makes me this happy. And I also want to wear it all the time just because it feels so nice on the lips. What I'm really curious about is the transfer. A little bit, but since it is just such a tint of color, it doesn't leave much of a mark. And I still am left with some really nice pink color on my lips. So I love this. This is a type of lip product that I like to wear on a daily basis because it's minimal effort, but it adds such a beautiful pop of color on the lips, but then it's also super hydrating because I am always applying lip balms, always trying to soothe my dry lips. And when I can apply lip balm that looks this pretty and pink, then it's a perfect product for me. Even more perfect when I can get it for $1. So if you can find this at your Dollar Tree, I definitely recommend picking it up. I am so excited to have this in my collection now. The Dollar Tree is seriously killing it with their makeup products right now, but you kind of have to be lucky and you have to go to the right Dollar Tree to find the products, but when you can find them, oh, it is such a treasure, especially when they perform as beautifully as this one here. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like This gets me so happy. It's one of my favorite things when I can find an amazing $1 product. Speaking of dollar store treasures, I would love to know in the comments down below what some of your favorite Dollar Tree finds are. I have so many that I love. I have done Dollar Tree hauls before where I've talked about some of my favorite products, but I would love to get some recommendations of some of your favorite Dollar Tree products. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.